How do you can get your Chrome tabs back if it is accidentally closed? So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can restore your Chrome tabs after you restart the Chrome or restart the computer. So in this video tutorial, let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open the Chrome browser first. Okay guys, so there is a my Chrome browser, and let's go ahead. So there is two methods, you can see the few methods that you can get your Chrome browser tabs or restore your tabs. Okay, so what you need to do, first method is just click on three dot option and go to the history, and here you can get your all closed tabs. Or here you can see there is a one shortcut where you can just reopen the recent closed tabs. Okay, here you can see it is not clickable now because I just restarted Chrome, but you can find all recent tabs here. You have to just open it by clicking on it. Okay, so this is setting tabs. So I will show you the second method. Just click again here, go to the history. Now you have to go in history here, and now under okay, this Chrome history, and under the Chrome history you can see the today. This is my today tabs. Okay, and there are other tabs here. Okay, this is for yesterday. Yesterday I got these tabs all. So I just if you want to reopen it, just right click on it and open it. Right click on it, open it, will be open the next tab. In new tab you can see. Okay, so same as you can find the your closed tab and restore like this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.